definitely have.
It's interesting, isn't it? Because you don't get that much Spitfire, do you? But what it is the edge of the prop going supersonic. So right at the tip of the propeller, going supersonic, and that's what that rasp noise is. And here we have the Yale passing again. And a cruise speed of 146 miles an hour, which in 127 knots. They can go all the way up to 17,500 feet with full load. And it takes about 11 minutes to do that.
Do you suppose, since there's a Yale and a Harvard, that if they carried on, there would be a Stanford, another university in the United States, just in case you didn't know that?
Well, who knows, that might be the next train around.
Well, there you go.
The Yale, its famous rocking of the wingtips to wave to the ground.
You also get the rocking of the wingtips at the end of an aerobatic display. They do 3 wing rocks, just so the judges don't go back to sleep. Sorry, just sort the scorecard out. Brilliant. Everyone falls. And I remember seeing that very early days in my Tiger Moth flying. I thought, yes, you have to be awake all the time flying a Tiger Moth, as of course you would in any aircraft.